back to the Bunny Barn Acres. So yeah, if you've been watching, we've been building ourselves a deer hunting blind slash tree fort for the girls. We call it the, what's the name of it again? Yeah, the Sky Castle Princess Palace. Let's give you a tour. We're not quite done. Got a food plot there. Starting to come in nice. Got a nice 4x4 on camera. Let's go take a look.
Can I tell the Sky Princess house?
Yeah, you're gonna have to adjust the door handle though. Come on in. 9.5 by 7.5, bit of a funny size, but a friend of mine had these old concrete forms that we used for the roof and the floor. Pretty sturdy, got some windows. This corner here is where we're going to put the wood stove. Built it out of a 20-pound propane tank. If you want to go check that out on my channel, it's pretty cool. Still got a little work to do. It's not quite finished, but we are getting there. So what do you think? Where are we going to put the TV? You're going to want to watch TV and have sleepovers in here, aren't you? Yeah, well, we're gonna bring a mattress in here and have a sleepover.
I want it.
It's totally overkill, but we're hunting off our property and we're gonna be here for 30, 40 years if God lets us, so